Hi everyone, I'm Gerry Taylor and I'm the new Director of Public Health for Sunderland. I wanted to take this opportunity to give you all an update in terms of the position in relation to COVID-19 and also to thank everybody for everything that you've been doing over the last 7 months to try and reduce the spread in the city. Unfortunately, in recent days we have seen an increase in the number of cases locally. It's therefore vitally important that we all continue to follow the guidance that will help us to reduce transmission. One of the most important things that we can do is reducing social contact. So this includes following the guidance around staying at home as much as possible, with the exception of some specific purposes such as medical appointments, the daily exercise and work if you are unable to work from home. If you do go out, it's really important to continue to follow the 3 key things that we've been doing for some time. So keeping 2 meters apart from anybody who doesn't live in your household, wearing a face covering as appropriate, and washing your hands regularly for at least 20 seconds. We also need to avoid meeting up with people socially who don't live in our household or aren't part of our support bubble. The only exception being for our daily exercise, we can take that with one other person provided we maintain the 2 meter social distancing. It's also really important if we have symptoms or if we've been asked to self-isolate. If you need support to self-isolate or support if you are a clinically vulnerable person, then please look at the Council's website, which will also give you lots of information around COVID-19, which will help you to access the support that you may require. It has been a really difficult time over the last several months, but the only way we're going to improve the situation for the city in terms of COVID-19 is to continue to pull together to follow these guidelines. So I would really like to thank everybody again for everything that you've been doing so far, but ask you to continue to follow those guidelines to really help reduce the transmission locally. So thank you very much for listening, and thank you very much for all that you've been doing.